Okay, we have the Dow Industrials going into the opening bell up 130 points, minor loss for the Nasdaq, minor gain for the S&P. Mike Lee with me this morning. Serious question, Mike Lee. Are you in love with Nvidia?
You know, I just might be, Stuart. I just might be. This stock. This stock has my head spinning. I've literally never seen anything like it. A little over 3 months ago, they gave the largest revenue guidance raise ever until they did it again this quarter. And what you're looking at here with AI, and it's a concept you need to think about like this, that it's going to take several decades for AI to replace one doctor, and then about a year for AI to replace the rest of them. And what you need to take away from that is the exponential growth, not linear growth. And so Nvidia's earnings and revenue over the next 12 to 24 months is most likely much, much higher than the street expects, because they're the tip of the spear for AI, in that we are about to embark on one of the largest tech spends the world has ever seen. And without Nvidia's chips, you can't get there. And I think too many people are sitting around focused in how AI is going to affect earnings and new businesses across the rest of the market without looking at the easiest stock to take advantage of this, and that's Nvidia. And so if they continue on this sort of growth, it's not outlandish to think they could do $75 to $100 billion of revenue next year, and that earnings are likely to come in between 40 and 50 billion, not where the street estimates right now, which means the stock in reality is much cheaper than most people think.
I'm told that their chips, their best chips, Nvidia's best chips, do 30 trillion calculations per second. Does anybody come close to that? Have they got any close competitor at all?
Not right now, Stuart. And so it's going to be some time before this sort of revenue growth levels off, before their growth rate slow down. It'll happen at some point, but in reality, it could be years away. And so this stock, when people look at it, the number one knock on it is it's so expensive. And that's because the PE you look at on your screen is wrong, because estimates are far too low.
I don't know anybody who holds Nvidia who is selling, but I don't know anybody who does not hold it yet and is buying, because at that lofty price, they're worried. Last word to you.
Yeah, well, look, Dan Ives said it best. Over the last 25 years, value-driven investors that are bearish on tech have missed every major technological advancement, and stock price moved thereafter over that same time frame. So, look, what you want to do is you want to buy high and sell higher.
That's a good one. Well done, Mike. Well done indeed. Buy high and sell higher. I like that.
Thanks,
it's 9:30 Eastern Time. The market is now open.